Industrial and manufacturing marketers do not get participation trophies. You are operating in the most demanding digital marketing arena on the planet, where budgets are tight, teams are often skeleton crews, and every marketing dollar has to punch well above its weight. This is marketing that requires you to be relentless, hyper-strategic, and brutally efficient. So here are 6 hard truths that will define your success in 2025. Number 1. A long sales cycle is your secret weapon. A 6 to 18 month buyer journey gives you time to educate, influence, and outmaneuver the competition. Most marketers see that timeline as a problem. It isn't. It is an opportunity. Number 2. Credible content wins. No one in this space has time for fluff, and your audience will actively resist anything they interpret as marketing. Your content needs to answer real questions, solve real problems, and hold up under scrutiny. Number 3. Attribution is a signal, not a measure. Stop obsessing over last click attribution. That organic search for your brand name didn't close the deal. 2 years of strategic campaigns and outreach did. Number 4. Digital needs to be a first-class citizen. This is very simple. If your online presence doesn't communicate the reputation you've spent the last 30 years building, then your market share is dwindling, not growing. Number 5. MarTech is a multiplier, not a silver bullet. Expensive marketing technology will not fix weak messaging or poor targeting, but in the hands of a smart team, yes, it can definitely accelerate execution and maximize your return on investment. And number 6, your brand is your equity. In this space, trust is earned slowly and lost instantly. Every touch point either reinforces your reputation and credibility or it weakens it. These aren't just trends. These define the new industrial marketing reality, and you either adapt or you get left behind.